और Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Chief Electoral Officer Jalao Dr. BDR Tiwari hakishitrek unaitung araja apun rio. Walaitu ba shilak kakandai ja shispa arpu kandai tili ki enumeration form la sam chekipat ba manla ki tliu yeng hakaleng ki benta jong jala miglia. Tang hakas ngistang jong special intensive revision araja apun rio. Kabakenjo san point non new person na kajingdon jong inong tabut hakajala. Kajing sami ki enumeration form glass tang hakalai putrek julio araja apun rio. Hak bagi boot level officer kilele irung hamala ki tliu yeng bat ban pinchishai ki epekat karkum balapin bana dak Election Commission of India kakum gajing ajing khenjong CEO ki nok thebut ha jala meglia ki dan baro apulai lak sau khanda hajan ruspa sau san got kat hadu menta ulai thu ba gajing le pinshisha hamala ki tliu yeng kan beteng hadu ka ar khnai taring naitung arja apun rio.
Special Intensive Revision 2026 already started in the state of Meghalaya, and from 30th June 2026 till 29th July 2026, that will be the enumeration phase. So BLOs will visit house to house, and this process is already ongoing. So in accordance with the program of SIR announced by Election Commission of India, to ensure no eligible citizen is left out while no ineligible person is included in electoral roll. So booth level officer already started their house to house visit, and total 3,551 booth level officers and in the 60 assembly segments of 12 districts, and all 60 EROs with the 166 AEROs and 410 BLO supervisors, they are already engaged in this SIR process. And we in the Meghalaya have 23,49,645 electors, and average elector per BLO is coming around 662. So on the first day, on 30th June 2026, total 1,19,129 enumeration forms were distributed, which is around 5.07% of total electorate. So among the districts, Southwest Garo Hills recorded the highest coverage yesterday with 20.49% of enumeration form distributed, and followed by North Garo Hill with 10.25% and South Garo Hill 6.67%. And in the East Khasi Hill district, which is largest, having largest electorate, distributed 28,000 enumeration form, accounting 4.43% of its electors as on 1st July 2026 at 3 p.m. So during this house to house phase, the enumeration forms which are printed with the present electors detail, so continued up to the 29th July, and BLO will distribute in duplicate the enumeration form to each elector, and he or she will collect back one filled enumeration form while giving acknowledgement on the second form. So during this phase, no supporting document for the identification etc. will be furnished, and if elector is not present at his or her home and house is locked, so they will make 3 visits, and they will slip the enumeration form to the house, and through the local authorities and volunteers, BLAs also, they are trying to approach, so to ensure all the electors to cover. So alternatively, elector may fill and submit the enumeration form online during this enumeration phase of SIR through ECI Net mobile application available on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store also, and by visiting to our ECI's website, the http://ecinet.eci.gov.in homepage, or voter service portal at http://voters.eci.gov.in. So even just to get the reference of the previous SIR's voter list as on 1st January 2005, which is already available with the BLO in the BLO app, and anybody would like to have access, they may visit the website of Chief Electoral Officer Meghalaya, which is http://comeghalaya.nic.in, on the ECI Net mobile application also, and then voter service portal, and then the legacy service role prepared during the last conducted also available with the booth level officer, as I already told. So whose name appear in the electoral roll of 2005 are advised to note the relevant particular name, their relatives name, means mother, father, or spouse, or grandparents, state name, district name, assembly segment, part number and serial number before filling up the enumeration form. And electors who have migrated from other state and settled in the district after 2005 may not find their names in the 2005 electoral roll of Meghalaya. Such electors are advised to search their details on the voter service portal at http://voter.eci.gov.in or through the ECI Net mobile application, and note the relevant particulars, namely name, relatives name, state name, district name, AC number, part number and serial number as available in the last SIR's electoral roll in his or her concerned state from where person has migrated, wherever they were previously registered as electors. So all electors are advised to keep the above information readily available while filling the enumeration form. So they may access to the websites given, and this will facilitate the accurate and hassle-free completion of the form. And all these information are available with the booth level officers through BLO app. So they will also try to in any problem they will facilitate all the electors. So during this phase, no supporting documents are required to be submitted along with the enumeration form. So they have to just fill the enumeration form and submit to the BLO, or fill and submit online. However, a recent passport size photo must be pasted on the enumeration form or uploaded while submitting the form through the ECI Net app online self-enumeration facility. Not appear in the legacy electoral roll 2005, but name of their parents or grandparent appear therein. The elector may furnish the relevant details of the such parent, grandparents in the enumeration form. So for any more information, electors may contact their respective BLOs, and name and contact detail of BLOs are displayed at respective polling stations, or they may get through the ECI Net app also, and then or they may book a call with the BLO. So, and this ECI Net app may be downloaded from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store iOS platform, or there are the QR codes also given, and we did the larger publicity, so they may scan and download these ECI Net mobile app. So it will be very, very helpful, and all the ECI related different services are being extended through this ECI Net mobile app. So for all stakeholders, either BLOs, EROs, DOs, and all the election, even CVGIL, all things integrated in this one app. So it will be very, very useful for all electoral election related services, informations, etc. So I would like to request through you to all the electors and people in Meghalaya, may please download this ECI Net app, which will be very, very useful for all the purposes, especially during the SIR exercises ongoing also. So, and we request all the electors during this phase to cooperate with the booth level officer during their visit, carefully fill up the enumeration forms and return the complete form to the BLOs within the prescribed time. So far we are concerned, we have not come across any such complaint, and we have extended all the BLOs are properly trained. We did proper publicity through different social media platform, advertisements, and even booth level programs also being happening. And BLOs are very, and they are supported with the BLO supervisors are there, AEROs, EROs are there, district machineries are there. So if there is any complaint, people may access, there is 1950, this toll free number, and they may, any complaint they may, if any problem happen, any issue is happen, they may approach to BLO as well as to the other senior official, either supervisor, to AEROs, ERO, DEOs, even including the CEO officers are also. We are here to ensure this process to be conducted hassle-free, in very smooth way, without having any problem, and to ensure the mandate of Honorable Election Commission of India to make our electoral roll accurate, complete, and up to date.
So,
Whose name is not there might be their parents or grandparents' name we found in the electoral roll of the 2005. So, because somebody might become eligible voter, attain 18 years of age in 2010, so that person's name will not be in the 2005 electoral roll. Then they can give the legacy through that. Their parents and relatives name will be given, so the column is there and they may fill that. They are either voters of that area. In around 70% plus cases in Meghalaya, around 80%, the BLOs are the resident or voter of that particular area which is allotted to them. So that is the first criteria we have chosen. And if they are not voters, so they should be they should posted in that particular area, so that should be their serving area, so they should be familiar of that terrain, locality and people. So that is one thing. And as well as there are the BLAs from the political parties, and a good number of BLAs recently the political parties, I would like to appreciate, they come forward and initiated this process to appoint BLAs in the state of Meghalaya also. Earlier they have not appointed BLAs so far due to several reasons. So now we are getting all cooperation from the political parties. We have the meeting at the different level and regular we are in touch with them. So any issue, any complaint come across at any level, we will be there with all our team of BLO to the DO and CO office also to facilitate. So field functionaries like the BLO supervisors, ERO, AEROs, they are on the task, so they are looking after this entire process and they will address any issue which will arise. So it is an offense if person willingly giving this one in the more than one place, and they may be liable to get the punishment under the relevant. No, it will. After 2005 there are more than around 10 lakh voters increased. So their name is not there in the 2005 voter list. So they can give at least then lineage and the name of their parents or grandparents might be there in the voter list. So that will help.
so
Our voters, and they will be given the enumeration form, and as I already told, no one can be voter in more than one place. So it is anybody willingly becoming voter more than keeping more than one epic card in the different places. So the dual voter system through the SIR process, they are not submitting the enumeration form we have come across in the different states, because they can submit in one place. So person can submit their enumeration form in one place and where they want to remain as because all the ground level officer, it is the responsibility assigned to the electoral registration officer to look all the aspects. Election Commission is giving coordination, and we are not only touched with Assam. Somebody might be in the Calcutta or went to Calcutta or went to Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad and other places also for the employment and for different purpose they migrated. So here the migration cases are less, but there are the state where SIR already held. There are number of migration issues are also there. So we are coordinating with the election machineries across the country under the supervision, guidance and the facility provided by Honorable Election Commission of India. So accordingly, all needful things to ensure accurate voter list is being taken. So far now second day, We provided all round of the training to the BLOs, BLO supervisors and all election functionaries. Hands-on training in the BLO also been provided. And there might be some network shadow areas, network challenges. So we have taken up with all the telecom service providers, and the higher up level meetings are also being planned. And then in the offline mode also they may record all that and they may upload subsequently. So all those facilities been given in the BLO app.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.